Hi friends, this is the activity video for the read aloud story, Are You a Ladybug? Today for our writing, we're going to be answering that question. In the book, the author gave some reasons why you are not a ladybug. So I want you to go back and try to remember one of the reasons that they gave that people are not ladybugs. On your paper, the first thing that you're going to want to do is put your name at the top. And today we're going to be using a sentence starter for our writing. We'll leave that space for our picture, and then our sentence will go at the bottom of our paper. Your sentence starter is going to say, I, popcorn word, am, popcorn word, not popcorn word, a popcorn word, and then we're going to borrow the spelling of ladybug from the front of the book. L-A-D-Y-B-U-G. I am not a ladybug. Now we're going to use your longest popcorn word. Because. B-B-C-A-U-S-E, and then we're going to draw some lines so we have some space to write. Period. All right. I am not a ladybug because. This is where you're going to be writing one of the reasons that the author gave that you are not a ladybug. For my example, I'm going to pick the one that I thought was the one that I thought of even before we read the book. I know I am not a ladybug because I cannot fly like a ladybug. So I want to write, I am not a ladybug because I cannot fly. So let's fill in the rest of my sentence together. I am not a ladybug because I, popcorn word, I am not a ladybug because I can, popcorn word, not popcorn word. I am not a ladybug because I cannot fly. I need to stretch that word. I. Now I hear the I sound at the end, but we learned about a tricky letter that at the end of the word sounds like an E or an I. Does anybody remember that letter? I remember it was tricky Y there. So even though I hear that I sound, it's at the very end of the word fly, so I think it's tricky Y. Let's go back and read my sentence and make sure it makes sense. I am not a ladybug because I cannot fly. Excellent, I'm happy with my sentence. Now for my picture, I want to try to draw a picture of what I wrote about, which is a little bit tricky for this. But I can notice a few things that I have in my sentence that can help me with my picture. I talked about myself, so I should be in my picture somewhere. I talked about a ladybug and I talked about flying. So I think the best way to show this in the picture would be to draw a picture of me. I can't fly, so I'll just be standing on the ground. And a picture of the ladybug flying because it shows what's different about the two of us. If you want to take a picture of your work and send it to the teachers, we would love to give you a compliment.